Hi everyone, Cynthia here to show you what I received in my Cult Crushes box of June 2018. This is $14 a month now. Last month was the last month that it was 11. So let's go ahead and find out. I'm so curious to think what you guys think, if it's gonna be worth it. I have not seen it, I don't know what's in it. Let's see if the price increase has helped. So when we open it, looks very nice so far. Let's go ahead and take out the card. This is the card. It has all the items. Feel free to pause that if you want to read it. All the items that are going to be in the bag. I don't want to see it yet. I have no clue what's in it. I already see face masks. And it looks like we have 3 of them. We have one that's different. It looks like it's a collagen eye mask. One of those that you put under here. That's pretty cool. You get 2 of them in one. And then 2 normal face masks. One it says even out, one says shape up. They're both different, delicate, uneven skin, but we get 3 total, so that's pretty cool. I usually hate when they send you just like 1 mask in a subscription. We're getting 3, so here we go. This is a Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. Not a bad size, I would say like the palm of my hand almost. And it's for acne. I'll probably pass this to my husband. He has acne, I don't at all, so I think he'll probably use this. So there's that. Face product, there's this right here that's calling my attention. What are you? Suva Beauty Pressed Powder. It looks like it's a eyeshadow that you can put into a palette, a magnetic palette. Looks like it's a single shadow. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, yeah, and it's the 61X, I guess is, oh wow, this is pretty big. I don't even know how to open it. Wow, that's a bigger shadow than I thought. I'm not sure if that was there or that was me. My nails are long, so let's just blame it on me. This is a pretty big size pan eyeshadow, so that's cool. And it looks like it's like a bronzy. Let's go ahead and test that literally where I marked it. Feels buttery. Got a lot out, very lightly tapping, and let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, pretty nice. It's like a copper orangey tone. I don't know if the light's catching it. Pretty neutral. So definitely will be useful for a lot of skin tones. And I do like that it's a bigger pan. So there's this here, not bad. And then I see a lot of little items here and there. So we have the Ultimate Rosewater for radiant skin. Dermatologist control, blah, blah, blah. Pretty good size. It's also glass bottle. Let's go ahead and see what this smells. I think I saw this in the spoiler and I didn't know what else was coming, but I thought why not. Ooh, it smells, I don't know how to describe it. I don't know if I love it or hate it yet. It's very, very strong. Not exactly just roses. I'm getting a hint of a lot of flavors all at once, a lot of scents all at once, so pretty cool. I'll probably give that a shot. Oh yeah, I saw a spoiler on this. So these are just actually hair care, hair vitamins. So they're vitamins, not bad, but it's for your hair. So I mean, that's a pretty cool sample. And you get, wow, these pills are huge. Pretty bad at swallowing really, really big horse pills. So these are actually way bigger than your normal cold medicine pill. And it looks like you get maybe 10 in here. And I believe they're twice a day. So this is just a sample. Never received anything like this before, so that's intriguing and different. And I believe that's all the items. Yeah, I think that's it. So this month Ricky's was $14 from here on, and these are the items that were sent. I don't know what's full size, maybe this over here. The pills is a sample. I don't know, this might be, I mean, it's a good travel size. It might be full size, who knows. It's pretty average size if you go to a Rite Aid or something and you're looking for acne or skincare, it's a pretty normal size. And these were the items for $14 a month. Feel free to tell me if you think it's worth it. I personally, I kind of wanted just more makeup. That's why I subscribed to Ipsy. I feel like Ipsy's a lot of makeup. I stopped Birchbox because I was getting so much skincare in like one makeup item. And that's just preference. I like more makeup. This is the only makeup item here. It looks nice. I don't know how much I'll use it just because, again, personally, I don't have a magnetic palette to put these single guys. I usually pass them along. So just for me, this is a definitely interesting box. I will use the face masks. I'm going to give this a shot. The scent is very strong, though. Passes along to someone. I don't know about the pills. So for me, this is my last month with Ricky's. I actually kind of didn't want to go on. If you guys saw my previous video, I didn't want to go on. My husband was like, hey, just try one more time. Why not? Maybe for 14, they're going to throw something at you that's special. I don't feel like it was met. It might just come next month, knowing my luck. So I know a lot of you want to give it another shot. That's cool. I'll be watching. But for now, I'm going to definitely continue my Ipsy. I signed up for Allure because Kat Von D is doing a collaboration with them. I should be getting my box soon, so I can't wait to get that. And again, I'm just trying out different boxes, not planning on keeping them, so it's not like I hate Ricky's and I'm stopping it for that reason. I'm just went into this wanting to try different boxes and then cancel them and try other ones. So for now, for me, I'm gonna go ahead and pause on this Ricky's. So again, this is the items that we got. We got the face masks, the shadow, hair vitamins, the foil patches for the eyes, which I will definitely be using, the cleanser, that's Murad, and lastly the Rosewater spray, which it seems interesting. And I'm so curious to see your opinions on this. Did you get the box or did you cancel it? Are you gonna keep it going? Did you like this? Is it worth it? Please let me know. So I hope you guys have a good day, and as soon as I get my Ipsy, my Allure, I will also be unboxing that. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.